Okay guys, so I'm about ready to go try a pumpkin pie Dairy Queen Blizzard. Can't wait. I've wanted to try it ever since it first came out and I just never have. So well, stick around and see how it is. Peace.
Addiction comes to me.
Okay guys, so here it is. The pumpkin pie mini blizzard. You can see the pumpkin in it, and I don't know, I'm gonna get me it has whipped cream on it. I'm gonna get me a whipped cream with some ice cream and maybe you can definitely see the pie. Here we go, let's try this. Yeah, it was good. The crust, okay, there was a crust in it, which I hold there was. They put the crust in it, but it tastes like cookies. So I think there was like cookies in it instead of pie crust, but I don't know. Look, I'm gonna try this again. This is kind of funny tasting. Let's try it again. This is kind of tough to gauge. I'm just gonna wait until I finish it to rate it. I really, it's kind of tough to rate. Okay guys, plenty of pumpkin flavor. You can definitely taste the pumpkin. And I like the creamy type of pumpkin pie. I don't like it too much nutmeg and all that stuff in it. And this seems to lean towards that type of a pumpkin pie, so that's good for me. But it's pretty good. This costs like $2.20. It's a mini. I got a mini. I don't really like to eat a bunch of junk food, but yeah, I got a mini. You never know if you'll like it, so it's wise to get a small one. And yeah, man, I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of lost. I don't know. Yeah, I'm at the end of it. I'm getting a better idea how good it is. I think it tastes awesome. The flavor's awesome. It just seems like there's something missing. And I think what it is I think what they put in it is cookies. I don't think there's any pumpkin pie in this. Now I've been trying to figure out, and I can't figure out what it is. I think it's cookies. I think I did see a little pumpkin pie in it, but I don't know. It's kind of weird. I really like the pumpkin flavor. I like the creaminess to it, like the whipped cream. Didn't like the texture all that much. It did have pie crust in it, but it was like cookies, and I think I seen a little bit of pumpkin pie, but if there was, it was very little, and just couldn't really figure out what the heck they put in it. I mean, it definitely wasn't just slices of, I mean, like cut up bits and pieces of a slice of pumpkin pie. There was no way. With the price, this was just a mini, $2.20. With the price, I mean, I don't think it's worth the price even. I liked it. Don't get me wrong. I like it, but it ain't over the top. I've had pumpkin ice cream that tasted a lot better than this. So with the price and the texture, I mean, I think they could have done a better job with the texture and actually put little pieces of real pumpkin pie in it. With the price and all that, I give it a 7.7. So kind of like a C plus range. I mean, if you look at it that way. So I give it a 7.7 or C plus. I don't think it'd be worth getting a medium of it. And don't get me wrong, I love blizzards. But I just don't think it would be worth getting a medium. If I was you, I'd get a small mini like this, and if you like it, go ahead and get it. So I do recommend maybe trying a mini. But I give it a 7.7. I would do it again. I would get another mini. I wouldn't get a small medium for the price. Until then, if you want me to try something, comment below and give me feedback. I'll see if I can't try it. But I am a pretty finicky eater, so I'm not going to eat just anything. But I will try stuff out if you want me to try it out. And it ain't limited to restaurants. I mean, if you want me to try Chips Ahoy with peanut butter on it or something like that, I'll do that. But until then, comment, subscribe to my channel. Peace.
Addiction comes to